for staying tuned. Let's continue learning. Before I take you through how Crowd One makes money, it is always wise and advisable for someone to learn how the company is making money. Then when you understand how the company is making money, it will be very easy for you to know where this company is getting money to pay you. And this time I want to demonstrate using this simple diagram how Crowd One makes money. Now, at the heart of it all, at the center, is Crowd One. And Crowd One, we have said it is a customer acquisition program. What does that mean? That as we are the customers, we are creating one big crowd of people. Our work is to fill this crowd with a crowd of people, to bring more members to become members of Crowd One. Then when we become members of Crowd One, how do you become a member of Crowd One? You become a member of Crowd One by buying what is called educational packages. And when you get educational packages, of course, those are real life experience that are going to teach you how you can be able to be an all-round person. And on top of that, the company gives you what is called Crowd One rewards. Crowd One rewards, we can name them locally as shares for easier understanding, but the company calls them Crowd One rewards. How are these rewards going to help you? Depending on the Crowd One rewards that you're going to get, and when the company grows, the company will start giving you quarterly dividends. These quarterly dividends will be calculated based on the package that you joined with and based on the Crowd One rewards that you have. And the company will pay quarterly dividends from 15th of June 2020, and from there they'll be paying on after every 3 months. The next will be on September 15th and the other one will be on December. That means every 3 months, every 3 months, every 3 months, for any member of Crowd One, we will be receiving quarterly dividends. That is purely from the money that is coming from the gaming activities. Because by creating a crowd of people, how do we create this crowd of people? We create this crowd of people through what is called referral method. And referral method is the best way of advertising any product or service, and we call it network marketing, word of mouth. When we are doing network marketing, we are not doing it for free. The company pays us bonuses. Why are they paying us bonuses? So that we can be able to market this company to have more and more and more and more crowd of people. I joined this business when we were only 700,000. Today the company has grown to 5.5 million. What does this growth mean for us? This growth means that now we have two other companies. One is a Filgo and the other one is Mr. This Crowd One, we do not have the games, but a Filgo and Midstar also, they do not have the game, but their work is to go out there and look for the companies that are doing gaming. For example, companies that are doing betting, companies that are doing poker, companies that are doing lottery, etc. So many other companies. And Midstar is to go out there and to look for companies that are into e-gaming like Temple Run or Candy Crush or any other game, you know. Because now at this point, with a growth of 5.5 million people, then that means our company has started to attract other companies that are having products and services. They can come and use our crowd to market their product and service, just like the way you use Facebook to market your product and you get customers ready on Facebook to buy. So for example, this is just but an example. The month of May, the company already launched Epic One Lotto. What does that mean? That our Filgo have signed legal contract with Epic One Lotto and have told them that we have a crowd of 5.5 people. If you come and market your lottery in Crowd One, then that means Epic One Lotto, they don't have to go and use any other form of advertising or any other form of marketing, because they have already found a ready market. And when Epic Lotto come and market their lottery here, definitely from a crowd of 5.5 people, half of that crowd or 3/4 of that crowd, they will participate in gaming. And when they participate in gaming, Epic One Lotto makes money. When Epic One Lotto makes money, they share with Afilgo and Crowd1 and us. Afilgo takes 40%, Crowd1 takes 20%, and us, we take 40%, and that is how we get 40% quarterly dividends after every 3 months, after every 3 months, after every 3 months. But now, those are the only 2 products that we have. As the company continues to grow, as the company continues to increase in number, you will have other new products that are coming. Other new products that are coming, and you realize the future of Crowd1 is huge, because in future companies will want to come, instead of using one person as their brand ambassador, they would want to partner with Crowd1, because Crowd1 has customer, and that is simply how the company makes money. But since they have never paid dividends, how have I been able to make the money I have made today? Remember, the dividends money has to come from the gaming activities. Now that one, it is out of my control, but what is within my control is money from marketing activity, because that is where I make money from my own effort, sharing this business with people, training like the way I'm training today. And so I want to show you how you can join this business, start to do the business. How do you join? How do you make money? Because we have already seen how Crowd1 makes money. So stay tuned for our next video. Impossible.